What is constant multiple rule? The constant multiple rule says that if you have a constant multiply by a function, and if you need to find the derivative of that, then the derivative will be constant multiply by the derivative of the function. So the derivative of the constant multiple function will be constants times the derivative of the function. Let's try to see some example. So our goal here is to find the derivative of 5 times x square with respect to x. You can clearly see here on this function 5 is a constant and x square is a function. So 5 times x square is actually a constant multiple function, right? So our goal is, if our goal is to find the derivative of that with respect to x, then we can clearly use this constant multiple rule. So if we want to apply this rule, how can we apply this? We need to leave the constant as it is, which is 5, right, times multiply by the derivative of x square with respect to x. And we know that by using the power rule, the derivative of the x square with respect to x is 2x, so 5 times 2x. And if you simplify that, we get 10x. So the derivative of 5x square with respect to x is 10x. Similarly, let's try to see the other example where we have 5 over x cube is a function, but if you look at this function can be written as 5 times 1 over x cube. So 5 is again a constant multiplied by 1 over x cube, and 1 over x cube can be rewritten as x to the power minus third. So if you change it into the negative exponent, right? So that this is how we can write down. So if we need to find the derivative of 5 over x cube, then by using the constant multiple rule, we'll leave the constant as it is, multiply by the derivative of 1 over x cube, which is x to the power minus third. So derivative of x to the power minus third is, by using again the power rule, that will be bring the power down, which is negative 3, write down x as it is, subtract the power by 1, so negative 3 minus 1 will be negative 4. So if you simplify these, we can write down these as 5 times negative 3 is negative 15 times x to the power minus 4. That's all. This is already the derivative of the function. If you want to rewrite this into the positive exponent, then the answer is negative 15 over x to the power 4, right, if you change the negative exponent into the positive exponent. So this is how we can find the derivative by using the constant multiple rule.